see the buttons CA, MF, BA, ML, TL, E. That's all the floors. 6 floors. I think they park it on independent service. It says we're going down. Yeah, hold on. Take it.
We went to California. Yeah, but I mean stay here.
No, just when we were little kids.
You weren't that small. You were about 12, 13. Not too hard.
I like that. Not with me. Yes.
All right. When the doors open, you're on your own, and you're going to see a beautiful picture window. Do not bother with the window. There's a reason. Instead, go to your right. There'll be a table on which will be the photos they took of you when you came in, and more things we want you to spend your money on. Okay? And go in the exhibit hall, and then back out in the hallway, you'll see a staircase, 2 flights or elevator behind. And near the elevator, water fountains, and restrooms. You get up the 2 flights, you're on the observation deck. That's why I said forget the picture window. I further suggest on the observation deck, go to the middle portion, go right to the railing, look straight down. You'll see exactly where you just were, get a better feel for the layout. Bend over a bit more, you'll be back exactly where you just were. It does happen, unfortunately. Usually to the husband.
We're feeling a little down there.
Translates into Chinese too. Was that Mandarin or?
Mandarin.
All right. To your right. What are you studying? What are you reading?
Chemical engineering.
I swear my wife's a chemical engineer.
Really?
Yes.
I wouldn't really consider this part of the tour, but whatever.